What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have an interesting model. We have the Avianca Cargo A330-200 freighter in the all green livery by NG Models. So really excited to have this. Trying to think, I don't think I have an A330 freighter in my collection yet, an actual dedicated freighter aircraft. So this is interesting, and this is also my first Avianca cargo aircraft. Avianca Cargo has a fleet of A330s. It's Tampa Cargo, but they Avianca Cargo kind of took it over, and that's kind of the brand of it. And they have various A330s, quite a few of the actual dedicated 200 freighters straight from the Airbus, and then I believe they operated some 76s. But it's mainly the 330-200 freighters now. Their standard livery is red, actually, but this is like a special all green one. This is the only one that NG has released so far. So with it being something that I need for the collection, because it does go to LA every now and again, here we have it. This is November 331 Quebec Tango. As you can see, the box is a bit messed up, but everything else is fine. Like, it's just the front here, some scuffing. But yeah, overall, good, nice box art and everything. So let's go ahead and open it up and check this out. It's gonna be a pretty simple model. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to go over with this. Got the collector's card. We have the model. Looks good to me, which is always a good thing. That's cracked there a little bit. Plastic's cracked. Sharp. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out. Wow, yeah, not bad. Not bad. Woo. Okay, this looks pretty cool. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So here we have it, looking really nice. The green, I love the green. Again, this is a freighter aircraft, so it's pretty plain. There's not a whole lot to go over, but let's zoom in here and take a look at what we got. So, looks like it just says A330 freighter there. Cockpit windows and the Columbia flag with some, let's see, something Tampa. So this is where I believe it says something about Tampa Cargo. Yeah, so it says, so you got the Columbia flag, Columbia, operate for Tampa, so that's by Tampa Cargo is basically who operates these. The one door on this aircraft right here. What's interesting about the A330-200 freighters, the dedicated freighters built by Airbus, is this sort of bulge here on the bottom for the gear door. It's, I believe, for extra strength and like the height purposes. Normally A330s have a bit of a slant down, and this kind of reduces that. And I guess it has something to do with like the cargo, like it doesn't interfere with maybe the lower deck cargo area, but I'm pretty sure it's more so of the additional height, so it's level and not on a bit of a slant down. But yeah, so that's what's interesting. These have this sort of bulge on the bottom with the gear. The gear door and the gear looks actually really nice. There's 331 on it. Got the antenna and some other aerials on here, so some sort of dome. I doubt it's Wi-Fi, obviously, because this is a freighter aircraft, but you have various sort of antennas and whatnot, and where the beacon would be. So pretty cool there. Great details around here. You obviously have the Avianca Cargo titles and their logo, all in green. The main upper deck cargo door right there, looking very nice. Sort of an emergency exit right there. One window right there by the wing to look out over the wing. You got the engines looking very, very nice. The wings looking nice. It has actually Avianca Cargo on it. That's pretty cool. The wings have great detail on it. Wingtips looking nice as well, as you can see on the inside there. And the registration's on the top of the wing there. 331 Quebec Tango, looking really nice. Engines looking fantastic as well, as you can see. And then kind of moving along, it's just all white. There's another sort of little window right back there, and another emergency exit, it seems like. There's registration. That's about it. You have the green tail and the Colombian flag up there as well. So looking very nice. Taking a look at the front view. Model looks pretty good. There it is on this side. So now we're looking at the lower cargo deck door there. Same with here, and then the bulk bin door at the back. So very nice. A very plain and simple aircraft. We'll take a look. There's a top-down view. So as you can see, there's the writing on the wings. The bottom has the same thing. Registration, Avianca cargo, gear, and everything look fantastic. There's great detail at the bottom of the engines, as you can see, and whatnot. So very, very nice. Simple looking, it's a simple aircraft, but a very cool model, very cool mold, and I'm very happy and excited to have this in the collection to showcase at some point at an airport. So yeah, with that being said, guys, if you did enjoy this video, I hope you did. Smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.